Deep in the most unforgiving terrain on Earth, an impossible dream begins. The blueprint defies gravity, testing the very limits of modern engineering. To conquer this summit, only the heaviest machinery and strongest men are deployed. Scans reveal solid granite, requiring aggressive blasting to set the foundations. Precision explosives shatter the earth, making way for the mega structure. With the rock cleared, the grueling manual labor of excavation commences. Caisson drills descend into the abyss to anchor the 639-foot steel core. These deep caisson foundations will safely manage extreme gravitational loads. Every spike is driven by raw power to secure the base. The foundational grid reaches maximum load tolerance, ready for the steel. Thousands of tons of raw steel arrive at the extreme altitude site. The superstructure begins to rise, forged in fire and sweat. The central spire climbs over 600 feet, dwarfing the landscape. At these heights, every step is a test of iron will. Advanced alloys absorb the immense stress of the hyperstructure. The heart of the park is the Centrifuge Brain Project's massive motor. Locking the primary centrifuge drive requires immense physical torque. This colossal drive system will push riders to the edge of physics, testing structural limits against brutal centrifugal forces. With the core set, the illusion of the impossible terrain begins. Heavy steel rebar is hand-sculpted into unnatural canyon shapes. Themed rockwork will swallow the hypercoaster in a stone embrace. Thousands of tons of dense concrete are blasted onto the metal lath. Every brutal cliff edge is carved by hand before it cures. Beneath the stone lies a labyrinth of rigid structural support. Massive valves control millions of gallons of pressurized water. Advanced hydraulics will defy gravity, pushing water up a 300-foot vertical incline. State-of-the-art filtration ensures the massive aquatic networks remain pristine. Industrial pumps prepare to cycle oceans of water per minute. The vertical negator tower pierces the clouds, demanding fearless crews. Every safety mechanism is secured with heavy-duty titanium hardware. Magnetic fields will safely halt riders plummeting at extreme terminal velocity. At the peak, the air is thin, but the iron will of the crew is absolute. The tower is designed to bend, absorbing the brutal crosswinds.
Next, the towering, multi-layered wedding cake ride begins construction.
Multiple massive platforms will counter-rotate to disorient the brain. Heavy pivot pins anchor the dizzying layers to the central core.
Miles of high-voltage cabling will power the extreme multi-axis motors. Power flows through the veins of the mechanical beast. The hypercoaster's first inversion is lifted into the heavens. Guiding 50 tons of steel requires immense strength and precision.
Millimeter precision ensures a frictionless ride at breakneck speeds.
Pneumatic torque locks the rails securely to the brutal mountain face.
Scans project the extreme G-forces riders will endure at the base. Magnetic launch stators are bolted to the track for an explosive start. Massive electrical conduits will deliver the megawatts needed for launch. Magnetic levitation tech will catapult riders up the vertical cliff. The massive aquatic coaster sections are bolted into the canyon.
Carbon fiber reinforcement holds the immense pressure of the surging water. The sprawling Pelican ride demands heavy-duty mechanical dampeners.
Industrial lubrication ensures the colossal wings swing without friction.
This massive pendulum will completely disorient the rider's spatial awareness.
Thick suspension cables are thrown across the canyon abyss.
Tensioning the sky bridge cables requires raw, unyielding power. The canyon walls securely hold thousands of tons of suspension weight.
A suspended resort hangs impossibly over the extreme drop.
Artistic finishes blend the brutal steel into the natural granite.
The illusion of a deadly, natural canyon is perfectly achieved. The megapark requires a dedicated high-altitude power substation. The main grid is energized, awakening the impossible machines.
Megawatts of power surge into the massive mechanical drives.
The massive spire lights up the desolate high-altitude night.
Rigorous manual safety inspections verify every single track joint. Ballast dummies simulate human loads for the ultimate extreme stress tests. The primary centrifuge spins up, tearing through the cold mountain air. Telemetry confirms the ride holds stable at impossible speeds.
Thermal dynamics keep the colossal bearings from melting down.
The hypercoaster test train launches straight up the canyon wall.
The train clears the apex, defying gravity and expectations.
Aerodynamic perfection prevents the train from tearing apart in the dive.
Pneumatic chambers fire, generating massive artificial tsunami waves.
Underwater inspections confirm the hydraulic networks are flawless. The concrete basin easily absorbs the brutal kinetic shockwaves.
The dizzying sky bridge is secured for brave pedestrians. The monolithic entrance gates are welded solid.
a perfectly synchronized mechanical ecosystem of extreme thrills.
The towering structures dwarf the incredibly strong men who built them.
Final safety commissioning is approved by the master engineers.
Redundant magnetic failsafes guarantee survival in any extreme scenario.
Water flows violently through the synthetic canyon arteries.
Years of brutal labor culminate in this impossible achievement.
The sheer architecture violently slices through the extreme high-altitude gales. The mechanical beasts awaken as the sun sets over the summit.
The subterranean crews leave the roaring hydraulic heart behind.
From bedrock to the clouds, the structural integrity is absolute.
A 639-foot freefall into the abyss, captured in real time.
Extreme friction is mitigated by advanced aerospace-grade polymers.
The entire extreme park is powered by brutal mountain winds. The scaffolding falls away, revealing the impossible mountain resort.
High-speed industrial lifts carry the crew to the very top.
Counterweight physics enable rapid ascents up the 600-foot spine. The underground labyrinths are sealed and secured.
The massive construction staging grounds are finally cleared.
Simulations confirm the park will test the limits of human cognitive endurance. Monuments stand to honor the raw power of the men who built the impossible. The iron skeleton remains forever hidden within the stone. The wedding cake ride spins a web of visual and physical disorientation. The magnetic launch violently shatters the high-altitude silence. The master control room synchronizes the chaos. The vertical negator waits patiently in the mountain fog. Hydraulic pressure grants the metal claw unstoppable power. Speed, steel, and gravity violently collide. The Impossible Amusement Park stands complete at the edge of the world. Built by the strongest men, designed to break the bravest riders. The canyon radiates with the massive thermal energy of the rides.
The gates to the impossible are finally opened. 639 feet of pure, terrifying verticality. All systems green. The impossible is fully operational.
Oceans of raw power unleashed at the summit. Magnetic brakes effortlessly tame the extreme kinetic fury. Structures so massive, they pierce the heavy mountain clouds. From a digital wireframe to a terrifying steel reality. The world's most extreme amusement park has conquered the abyss. The impossible has been built.